exposing the collapse and the comeback in the Bible's boldest chapters. I don't think people realize how Isaiah 3 and Psalm 96 connect despair with hope. Let's unravel it together. Isaiah 3 paints a chilling picture, a society unraveling as strong leaders vanish, leaving chaos in their wake. When the wise step back, children rule, and even basic respect crumbles. The powerful crush the poor, and justice is nowhere to be found. It's easy to see the warning. When we ignore what's right, everyone suffers. But the story doesn't end there. Flip to Psalm 96 and suddenly the tone shifts. It's a wake-up call to worship, to sing a new song, and to remember that God's justice brings joy, not fear. Even creation joins in. Trees, fields, the whole earth, celebrating that real justice is on the way. So yes, collapse is real, but celebration is coming for those willing to listen, learn, and sing a new song.